What? The mystery suitcase, B1 to C2 level. How? So this lesson does take quite a lot of preparation time. But obviously, once you have prepared the materials, they can be used again and again and added to, adapted, etc. You need an old, small suitcase for each group in the class. Or you could use any suitable containers, such as shoe boxes. The important thing is that they appear old and battered. The students will be investigating clues about a child from the past by examining his or her possessions, which are in the suitcase. Some ideas for realia are old stamps, dolls, toys, games, postcards, books, bus or train or museum tickets, and family photos. Some of these artifacts and manuscripts you may have, or could find in a second-hand shop. Some could be made, for example, a postcard with a message to a friend about a holiday, or printed off from the internet, for example, an old tram ticket. The objects are removed one by one from the suitcase and discussed by the group. To give the activity more focus, each group could have a graphic organizer to fill in. The left-hand column questions would depend on the objects in the case, but could include nationality, when he or she lived, hobbies, holidays, personality, and any other information. In the second column, the students have to answer the question, and in the third column, justify their answer. For example, first column, hobbies. In the second column, the group might write collecting dolls. In the third column, the group might write, we saw 2 dolls in the case, a ticket to a doll museum, and a postcard to a friend saying she likes dolls. The language focus of this activity obviously depends on the level of the students. At B1 level, it would be a good way to practice the simple past tense. We think she lived, she liked, she went, we think she collected, we think she spoke, etc. At B2 level, it would be ideal for practicing the language function of speculating about the past. He or she may, could, might, must have liked, might have been, must have spoken, could have gone, etc. There are many interesting extension activities that could be carried out. Each student could write a diary entry for their character, or the character could be interviewed. See my Topic11 blog on hot seating. The mystery suitcase could also be used to investigate the lives of famous people from the past. Why? Working as detectives, reconstructing information about the child using manuscripts, printed sources and artifacts, understanding the concept of evidence, It is a higher order thinking kinesthetic activity. The activity is so engaging and motivating that the students will forget that they are in an English language class. They are reconstructing a story and almost certainly adding their own creative element, and new language will stick. Thank you very much.